What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up the Rolling Bag 76 V2 or the Rolling Bag 76 V2 Slim keyboard cases. Now the only difference between the two cases is that the regular Rolling Bag 76 V2 has more width so you can fit larger keyboards if you need more room. So on the front of the bag you'll see that we have two of these pockets here, one bigger one so we can hold items like sustain pedals, sheet music, additional gear, etc. And then we have the smaller pocket where we can hold items like cables, clips, etc. The bigger pocket here also has the see-through pockets and the smaller pockets here so we have even more storage. Now if we take a look at the main pocket where the keyboard will go, you'll see that it's nice and padded so we can keep our keyboard safe and snug while going from gig to gig. You'll also notice these two foam pads here which actually have Velcro on the back so we can take them out easily if we need more room, or we can place them back inside wherever we want so that the keyboard fits nice and snug. Lastly, we have these straps here to keep our keyboard from slipping around inside. So when we're ready to get going with our keyboard, we can place it right inside of the case. Again, we can do this with or without the foam pads, but for today we're going to keep them inside so that it's nice and snug. Then we're going to close up these straps here to keep our keyboard nice and secure, and then we can just go ahead and close up the case. You'll also notice that all of these zippers for each pocket have these holes on them so we can run a padlock through for extra security. So now we have a few different ways we can transport the case, so we can use these handles here and Velcro them together so we have a better grip, and then from there we can use the handles to carry the keyboard around, and then of course there's the wheels on the bottom of the case so we can use them for easier transport. So while we're using the wheels, we can also use this trolley handle on top to roll the case behind us, and we also have this additional handle here on the back of the case if we want to roll the case in front of us. And whenever we wanted to stop with the case, we can either use the feet here right next to the wheels, or the rubber spikes on the side of the case. Now like I mentioned before, the Rolling Bag 76 V2 Slim is very similar, except it's not as wide as the last case, which is perfect for slimmer keyboards like this one here. So the same steps as the last case will apply with the slim case here. So you can place your keyboard inside and keep it secure with the straps. From here you can either use the handles on the side to carry your case around, or use the wheels to roll it from gig to gig. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your Rolling Bag 76 V2 or Rolling Bag 76 V2 Slim. But of course if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.